Dogecoin, Doge, certainly generally is a mineable coin that generally is right now exchanged at $0.073969 per unit, with the market capitalization of $10,490,606,343, that in a real sense makes it a mid-position digital currency, which basically is genuinely huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin generally have currently in every practical sense become the point of convergence of consideration for actually retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for pretty extremely enormous institutional financial backers who especially see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a fundamentally powerful certainly basically support against expansion that takes an especially lovely weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which truly is genuinely critical. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its ongoing standings, as well as the mid-term, and in every practical sense, long-haul cost expectation that fundamentally depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in an unpretentious way. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin certainly remains at $0.073969, and this specific advanced resource generally in a real sense stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide digital money, quite all expectations and purposes positioning. For actually quite your data, the kind of especially positioning of each and every digital money certainly basically is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and cost, and basically is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to. Or so they really thought in a significant manner. Likewise, to basically in a real sense get a genuinely better especially handle of the market circumstance and basically grasp the exceptionally broad course of the pattern, or to enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to especially all things considered, break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Or so they sort of thought. Yesterday, on November 14th, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense commonly remained at $0.074782 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 1.62% contrast when contrasted with the genuinely current cost 7 days prior, on November 8th. The Dogecoin market commonly really remained at $0.073518 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an unobtrusive manner. As the outcome, the cost basically explicitly moved by 0% comparable to its pretty fundamentally present standing. A month prior, on October 15th, Dogecoin in every practical sense was evaluated at $0.059347, which sort of corresponded with our cost expectation for that decently especially specific period in an unpretentious manner. Contrasted with the truly present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 24.64% cost move, which truly is very critical, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on November 14th, the market capitalization of Dogecoin explicitly generally remained at $10,605,479,402, kind of keep going weak. On November 8th, the fundamentally lovely aggregate sum of capital dedicated to Dogecoin was laid out at $10,423,2085, the information from a month prior, enrolled on October 15th. Sort of truly shows that Dogecoin generally certainly had a market capitalization of $8,393,203,809, the for the most part thought. Of course, while the market capitalization of Dogecoin fills in as a moderately lovely sort of obvious sign of the size and the presentation of the evaluated cryptographic money, it could not certainly be the proof that the exchanging volume on that market especially has produced an adequate amount, as will for the most part be in every practical sense, made sense of later. The volume could basically be essential while deciding the likely heading of the market and the strength of the expected cost development in one or the other, heading in a kind of large manner. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that especially sort of have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and really are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders reasonably commonly cool wallets in an unobtrusive manner. The very by and large complete stock likewise considers any coins that in a real sense have been scorched, put unavailable for general use to keep a sound expansion rate, which especially in a real sense is genuinely huge amazingly. It can generally for the most part measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that for the most part is public on the securities exchange, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking in a significant manner. The complete stock of Dogecoin presently in a real sense remains at 141,837,046,384 Doge in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock especially is the most ordinarily involved truly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, showing how yesterday, on November 14th, the cost of Dogecoin Super remained at $0.074782 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 1.62% contrast when contrasted with the fundamentally kind of current cost 7 days prior, on November 8th. The Dogecoin market essentially remained at $0.073518 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which truly is genuinely huge. It relates with the best guess of the in every practical sense, generally speaking number of coins that truly are public on digital money trades and entirely add to their liquidity, or so they truly thought. Their volume doesn't entirely incorporate the coins that in every practical sense are vested, marked in certainly brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or for the most part placed unavailable for general use in a significant manner. The circling supply certainly generally is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, which explicitly in a real sense is genuinely huge, which in a real sense is very critical. At this moment, the coursing supply of Dogecoin really is assessed at 141,837,046,384 Doge, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Over the by and large certainly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market for the most part added up to $672,554,034. Showing that likewise, to in a real sense get a greatly improved fundamentally handle of the market circumstance and in a real sense grasp the genuinely broad bearing of the pattern or to sort of enroll its in appearance. It's likewise vital to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which truly generally is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on November 14th, the especially normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting generally added up to $829,470,613. 7 days prior, on November 8th, the force of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $789,229,160 in an especially significant manner. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can basically assist you with most certainly surveying for yourselves the very genuinely current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the truly current bearing or making an inversion, which by and large especially is genuinely huge. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability record (CVIX) basically is our sort of essential instrument for making the most dependable expectations in regards to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time, showing how it compares with the particularly the especially the best guess of the in every practical sense, in general number of coins that all things considered are public on digital money trades and really add to their liquidity in a reasonably huge manner, or so they truly thought. It quite was made by the very kind of in-house group of designers and market examiners and sort of was utilized to test an assortment of productive exchanging and venture methodologies, which by and large explicitly is genuine.